John, what's going on? How's it going? Here we go, turtle markets, guys. What a wild day. I traded like crap. You're rating from the men's department in Nordstrom's, going to be interesting. Trading, nice. That's hilarious. I ain't never been in the Nordstrom's. $85 up, 40 down, should be okay. Yeah, it's quite the wild market. Just pretty much a trend day. And I did not catch it. They passed a few Buellanox counts, but should be pretty interesting here. I'm still looking for longs. I mean, I think we get pullback perhaps, and then continuation. I mean, basically the way I looked at it, it was just kind of a slow grind up. Market ran out of time, but I don't know. And I kind of agree with you too, John. Yeah, dead cat bounce. Yeah, exactly. I 100% agree with you. Like, I feel like you look at the daily and very bullish. Very bullish candle. Left that gap down there, like 80 points or so, that gap. And yeah, continue to push higher. Oh boy. Missed your New York session due to getting locked up for the night just to have the charges dropped. Oh. Hey Dan, hi Honest Take, what's going on? Very weird day. I had a rough day. I went on tilt a bit. I blew up my Apex accounts. I hit daily loss limits on everything. Lost 7,000 in my personal. I was up 4,000. I ended up down 7,000. That's alright. We're still up like over 40,000 for the month, so all good. Lost my pro account, but we just got a $3,500 payout with that yesterday, so still net positive, but like it doesn't feel good, you know. Especially when you over traded. Like I was over trading today. We got snowed in. An unexpected snowstorm today, and yeah, I wanted to go to the gym and wanted to go get some lunch and stuff, and it started snowing really hard, and it was that wet, heavy snow, and it hasn't stopped all day. So, hey Keegan, what's going on? Cube, what's happening? You shot 3 cars off the road on 95 North. Yeah, it was really bad out. I just know these March storms, they get really slick. So I was a mail carrier for 15 years, and I was just like, you know what? I'm staying home. But I overtraded myself into a hole. Oh, I'm up here in Maine, Cube. Up here in Maine. Changed into ice in a blink, yeah. For sure. I was even gonna run to Dollar General, which is not too far down the road from me. And I was just like, nah. Oh, nice cube. What area? Hopefully in the summertime. Or the fall. Early fall is nice too. That's when there's a lot of weddings. Wow, that's crazy, Dan. Yeah, so he's worked for the post office. My grandfather worked for the post office too for years and years. Oh, Oxford? Nah, it's not too far from me. Yeah, it's only about 40 minutes, 30, 40 minutes. That's good for him. He's gonna retire finally at 69. I'm sure he's sick of it. I'm sure he's sick of it. Oh, nice. Yeah, there's a bunch of layoffs up here for the post office, which sucks. You're gonna go to Oxford Casino, Cube. The big casino. "51 years, wow. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, my grandfather did 50-something years, but not in one spot. He did 50-something years of government service, or whatever they call it. So did 25 years in the military, and then 25 years at the post office. Stay away from the little old lady blackjack dealer. She rinsed me the last time I was there. Oh, I hear you, Dan. 100% hear you there. You get a rash when in a relationship over 5 years. Yeah, it's definitely not easy staying in one spot. Nope, not for me. Not at any job, that's for sure. Hi, Amelia. Alright, so we're going to be working on this top step here. See what we can do. Did you see the Top Step giveaway for 150k subs? Coaching from the people that were negative 400,000 last year. No, I didn't. Did they already do the giveaway? Oh, no, I didn't see it. Oops. Oh, interesting. See if they posted anything on X. Someone said in Travis's stream this afternoon they were hoping for a free account and got disgusted when they saw it was free coaching. It's free. Oh, okay. So yeah, I was misunderstanding you. That so free coaching. Okay, it's free now. It's still want my money back. Yes. Yes. Now I get it. Okay, that's funny. I worked with 3 of those clowns on the floor. They tried trading, never made it. They became order fillers and clerics. Now they act like they can trade. Yeah, I know, John. It's so funny. Yep, I could see right through them very quickly. Thankfully. Get free one-on-one from Hogue or Dakota. I guess you get the person you want from. Julio, what's going on? Michael. What's happening, guys? Market should be open here. Few minutes. Steven, what's happening? Up. No, I'm not up. I am down on the day. That's okay. Now we start a new day. I haven't had a red day in a while, and today was my first, so it's all good. Dakota, the guy that caught hedging his accounts. Yeah, I know. I did too, Steven. I tilted today. A bit. It's because I didn't leave the screens like an idiot. I should have left the screens. But like I was saying earlier, we got snowed in. And I was looking to leave to go to lunch and stuff, but personal too, Amelia. Yeah, I lost 7,000, but it's all right. I mean, we're still up for the month, like 40,000, so 40-something thousand. Yeah, trading big size, and it came back and bit me. But that's okay. We're good. But yeah, and nothing like worked for me today. Like all my setups and stuff, like everything was very, I don't know. I'm not gonna say it's my setups. It was just me. It's mostly me. I don't know. I struggled today, for sure. And the funny thing is I said it this morning when I got off stream. It was like, I'm not seeing things correctly. I feel out of pocket. I was saying all those things, and I didn't listen to myself. I should have walked away right then. But it's all right. Tomorrow's a new day. Brandon, yeah, no, that's not even typical, really. But I appreciate that. Like, I'm hoping to make it typical. It's just, you know, life as a day trader. Sometimes, you know, I can get that back tomorrow if I do something stupid. But yeah. Hey Bobby, what's going on? I hope there's some action. I don't know what you guys are looking for, but I don't see any reason why that we don't keep pushing higher. I mean, that slow grind up, I don't know. I don't feel like anything's changed. I felt like the market ran out of time. And we had some profit taking here at the end, but I kind of feel like what's really changed? Like really? The news came out, they had Trump talks, all that stuff, and it just still seems to be pushing higher, so I don't know. Hey BW, what's going on? Yeah, I hope there's something. So there's the push up. Market's open, guys. $360s. Marco, what's going on? Oh, I forgot to copy trade. I didn't mean to go 2 contracts in there. I already meant making mental mistakes. I'm long. Huge spread, yeah. What's up, Alyssa? What's going on? It's when you get all your emails for blown accounts. I did pass a few today too. I passed a few Beelanots. Hopefully, I get those activated here pretty soon. Past 2 Beelanox. 50Ks. Maybe past 1. I'm not really sure. I don't know. Everything was a blur today. Very much a blur. You ever have those days where you completely overtraded and just all just becomes a blur? That was me today. We are long. Thinking we continue the push up. Well, we might see a pullback first before the push up, you know. I lost, well, those brand new PAs, I lost those. Hit daily loss limit. Might find a future daily loss limit on this Express account. What the heck was that? 7K on the personal account. So it was just a red day, and it was a little tilty. I felt tilty. Be interesting to watch that book map, see if those guys come back with the or girls with that 400 lots. It was not a double. No, that's because I didn't go. For sure. No, I stayed at home because of the snowstorm. It was ridiculous. It's the worst. What was I doing? Oh yeah. Mo Lester, what's going? Holy cow! I was wondering what that noise was. Mo, thank you. $20 gifted. Get the dancing avocados going crazy tonight. Thank you, Mo. Appreciate you. Oh man, that's so nice. Nicholas, what's going on? Sorry guys, I'm having trouble seeing the chat, but yeah. Hey Dal, what's going on? Yo, Alfred, what's happening? Wayne, JC Trades, what's happening? What's going on, guys? Got Mo Lester in the house that has just donated 20 memberships. That's great. Yes, we have the pine tree. We have a pine tree cult going on now, Elena. Yeah, Nicholas, for sure, buddy. Yeah, that's what it's for. Dell's like, why when me? Nice. I think the dancing avocado is gone now. Thank you, Mo. Very generous. Thank you very much. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, I know. Yeah, I know. I hate that, Nicholas. I hate that too. So I push it down a bit here. I'm in pretty heavy with these minis. But it's alright. Oh, got the first inside bar there. Still like it the long side. Obviously not right now, but I still like the long side. We're in pretty heavy on this. Oh, you would have been up 1K, yeah. I know, now the shorts come in, John. Yes, it does help stream. Thank you, John. Yeah, appreciate it, Mo. Kind of crazy, to be honest with you. I figure by maybe 2 weeks or so, we'll be at 1,000 subs. So we're in 3 contracts long on this Express account. Now that the shorts are paying, I don't have much room on it, so it's fine if it blows. So I like to trade them heavy anyway. But I definitely picked the wrong direction on that. Hey, Trading Star, what's going on? I only trade minis with my strong strats and micros for testing strats. Oh, yeah. And Mo became a member himself. When I first started coming in, I thought it was just a subscription. Oh yeah, Mo ended up getting a gifted membership for himself. That's funny. Hey, Trades by Slade, what's going on, buddy? I missed you earlier. He molested the gifter button. Yeah, he did. Mo's an angel, wants to bless people. Yeah. Super generous guy. Person. You molested yourself. You did. Alright, looks like this XFA is gonna pop. I mean, yeah, Express. Yeah. I definitely was wrong about that one. We'll see. Nice little short off that inside bar. Something just tells me we're pulling back. Gonna keep rallying. I don't know why, but more like an I think trade. This inside bar break right here is pretty good. Yeah, I got an easy 10 points out of that. That first inside bar scalp on the new session for 10 points, 10 and 10. 10 point stop loss, 10 point take profit has been paying pretty well. I think I'm over 70% with it right now. Of course, I didn't even trade it. Love to see those guys come in with those 400 lots again. That was fun last night. Chasing them guys around. Order book's looking pretty dull right at the moment. Still got some pretty big lots up there. 400, 420. I was really surprised 420 didn't hit. It almost hit the MOC up here. Like spiked up and then just immediately ripped back down. 350, 355. James, what's going on? King Sender. I'm gonna finish this thing off. Joker, what's going on? Yeah, Keegan, yeah, I thought I was going for 420. It was looking like it. Down about 15 points right now. We're the same in the opposite directions, yeah. I flipped the coin wrong, Nicholas. My coin flip, I hit heads and you hit tails. Alright, I'm gonna get out of this. Let's see. That was quite the candle this afternoon, 12:25. I don't know if anyone was witnessing that. A little news candle type thing, just yank. That happened really quick. Eastern time, right around middle of lunch there. Like there's some sort of news that popped out. I don't know if Trump was speaking or what, but yeah. That's what you're looking? Yeah. I'm looking for the continuation. But it definitely feels like, you know, with the let's look at the cues. I mean, that daily candle on the Qs, just crazy. Bullish. That big gap up. So I wouldn't be surprised if, you know, eventually we're going to fade down and fill this gap, but wow. Boy, that was a strong move. Triple Qs back in November. Two big gap ups. Interesting. You told to go short. I know. I didn't ask the Magic 8 Ball either. I was long in the combine. I lost 40 level. We'd go down, I think. Plus we are at the 15-minute ORB low. Yeah, I don't really know. I had a tough time today, so probably gonna have a tough time tonight too. Another inside bar. Down below the VWAP. Flipping my Take Profit Pro accounts. Okay, those are flipped. Get rid of those. F. All right, still pulling back. Kind of the same thing that we did last night. We were just fading down, and then all of a sudden we get the big boner candle when those guys started messing around with those 400 lots. And I don't know if you guys caught my stream this morning. I was talking about the London grind up. It just keeps happening over and over and over again. Just to show you guys that real quick. It's kind of interesting. So I'll put it in the London time frame till the almost the open, or 9 o'clock a.m. Look at that, grind up, right? Not this day. Grind up, grind up, grind up, grind up, grind up, grind up. Like it just, as soon as the London opens, it just seems to like want to push. Just trends, it gets very trendy. Of course I'm sleeping, but just something I observed. Oh, that's that big gap down there. I got it, still got it marked out there. Don't know when we'll take it out. Need some sort of catalyst to move the market down. But kind of a weird day. Only 180 point range, and I say only, but compared to what we have been, we've been having like 300 point ranges and stuff. So I know I didn't adjust very well to the market. Hey, Michael, what's going on? Scorza. Hey, Lassie for Trader, what's happening? Hope you're doing well. Hope everyone's doing well. Taking some heat. Turning in 2 inside bars here. Kind of bear flagging. Don't love that. Need a nice break up through the VWAP here for our trade to stand a chance at this point. Zabak, what's happening? What's going on? All right, push it up here, 349s. Off from 342s. It's not really moving that much, but put it in 10s, it looks like, definitely looks like turtle markets. Put it in 5s, a little better. Expand it out, even better. But kind of got a little flag pattern going on, which I do not love. There it is, there's the break. I gotta get out of this trade. Close it. All right, still push it down here and broke that little bear flag. Actually make a pretty good short, but 579 left on this account. Flip the switch now. Get down to those 28s, possibly. Kind of what it did today. Nice little flag patterns. It's like bull flag, break, bull flag, break. Bear flag, break. Flags for days today. I only showed that to you guys because Mo just paid for the course, so he just paid for that course. Oh, thanks, full-time trader. I try to mix it up a little something for everyone. This is nice short trigger here. Of course, we're not in it, but very nice. This XFA now. See if I can save it tomorrow. Yeah, it got very trappy. Definitely got very trappy to me. Echoing. All right, 346 is here. See if we hold this flag pattern, keep pushing down. I hear an echo. Anyone else hear an echo? War, what's going on? Reversal JC trades? Possibly. It's because I just got out. I don't know. Why do you have to pay to live in a world that's free? I don't know, it's about you can live off the land. Still gotta pay someone though. Still gotta pay someone. Can't even live in your own house without paying taxes. Or asking permission to do something. Like build a deck on your own house. Something, ain't it? Alright, we're just stuck here. 345, 342. It's the turtle markets, guys. 102 people watching, guys. Appreciate you guys tuning in. If you do me a favor, just smash that like button. Let the algorithms know that we exist. Alright, super bad trade there. Kind of flipped the coin, really. Thinking we were going to keep pushing. I'm still bullish, obviously, after today. But we can just, you know, nice pullback here, possibly round up, keep pushing higher, but it's just a tough call. The market's been so bearish, and we did leave that giant gap, the 80-point gap down here. So it's kind of tough. One trade that really got me today was was it? It was the equal lows right here. Kept thinking we kept going for him, like off this inside bar. That one got me. I looked for a short, looking for this break of these lows. Came back and bit me. Finally ended up getting them, but here's the push up finally. Look, it's because I got out. Scared me. All back in. Chasing. That's what I've been doing all day, chasing. Way too much screen time tonight, guys. Or today. I don't know if you guys are like me, like you overtrade one day, get a little tilty and staring at those screens all day. The next day, it's pretty exhausting. It wears on me. I don't know about you 20-year-olds, but you get up in the 40s and beyond, it can wear on you a little bit, I guess. Stay up above that VWAP. I'd rather this an 8 a.m. traffic jam in the boss I hate 100%. It's about 100%. I agree with you there. Take a look at gold here. Looking at gold. Gold's kind of just trending down a bit. It's pretty getting around me. This that stop loss won't stand anyway. Count will be gone before that stop loss hit. Nice push down in gold. $350s here. Love to stay above the VWAP. The VWAP. Is anyone else in the trade? Yo, Joey Morgan, what's going on, buddy? Bray, what's happening? Long from 47, Carlos, nice. You're in a bad short? Did you short where I got out of that trade down here? And then it reversed on me? Got some MNQ long myself, 350. Nice. All right, trying to stay above the VWAP. We're just kind of chilling, just riding it. 350s now. Short starting to stay below the trend line. That's not a bad idea. I didn't notice it offhand until I entered. But that's all right. I wonder if it's still snowing. I had a bunch of deer in my backyard this morning. And now I know why, because that storm was moving in, so they were moving and they were feeding. If you guys know anything about deer, they feed all the time, but like when there's a storm coming in, they start feeding overtime. I think it stopped. Oh, we need some action. Need someone to come and buy up a 1,000 lot or something, move this market, shake things up. But last night started pretty slow too, and then it picked up. Right. Pulling up in the Apex. The Apex account here. $354s. Rejected off 356. Yeah, really need to stay above this VWAP and then trend line. Get a nice close above. I think we can push, make new session highs, but until then, might just kind of grind lower. But it looks like it's starting to curl up and go. No real setup. Nice, 330 and passed another combine. Let's go, Bray. It's pretty good. You're short at 349.25. So you're taking a little heat too, and I'm long, and I'm taking heat. Sitting right in the middle between us. Three, 4, 7, 7, 5. You're risking $90, yeah. I'm in 2 contracts, so but this combine is about cooked anyway. This area here, 295. So we get a push down. And I think 245 or so will be pinked off. Yeah, I don't want to trade that XFA more because I think I can might be able to salvage it come New York time. I know it started out that way last night too, honest take. It was painful. Once the market picked up a little bit, we ended up getting out of a hole then too. We were down over 1,000 last night and ended up 800. Same thing. I don't like this combine. Put it in its grave. I think it needs a strong drop. 338, otherwise it's going up. It's the Asia start 8 o'clock, right? I don't know, honest take. I don't even know. It's not London. It's Maybe you're right on this take. I don't know. This isn't Eastern time. Yeah, London's at 3 a.m. and then Australian stock market opens up in 10 minutes. Yeah, and Tokyo opens up in 1 hour. Oh, there goes that account. RIP. Still just holding this trend line to the down side. And get the kangaroo bounce. Yeah, hopefully. It's 8 o'clock, right? Boy, I overtraded today. I feel stoned. And I'm not. My eyes are heavy. Well, they start Europe starts the daylight savings time on Saturday night. Oh, interesting, Amelia. According to Forex Factory, nice. London's at 3 a.m. Thank you, Joey. Top of the hour here in about 6 minutes, 7 minutes. Gotta look at some of my funded futures. I had huh. That is a sim funded account. It's interesting. Very interesting. Alright, I'm still long in my apex here. Top step. Gonna be, that's gonna put that on rest. I got a little bit of drawdown left in that XFA. I'm gonna try to save it tomorrow morning with some volatility. Probably won't happen, but it's worth a shot. I don't want it to slow grind me to death tonight in turtle markets. Yeah, if you guys remember yesterday, they overnight did the same thing, kind of. You guys remember this? Slow grind. And then all of a sudden, bang, like, and I was saying, like, because we were in the short, I'm like, you know, someone's just going to come in and buy this, because it was just grinding down so slow, someone's going to just buy this up and create a big candle, and this is exactly what happened. And then they kept spoofing these 400 lots on the order book over and over and over, and they actually had, like, at one point, they had 1,000 lots or more. They kept printing 400, stacking them, and they'd have 200, and yeah, it was really weird. And we ended up chasing it, basically chasing that price up, and we started the day down like 900, ended up the night up 800, chasing that. And I ended up being up 4,000 in my personal account, but it didn't really matter because I blew that 4,000 today, and then some a little bit. So whatever. But yeah, that was fun. That's what we need now. We need something like that to happen. And we don't really have any big news tomorrow. Yeah, just consumer confidence, just orange folder, new home sales. Nothing too big. FOMC member. But, you know, if Trump schedules some sort of meeting or something tomorrow, it could shake things up, you know, how that goes. So, I don't know. Hopefully we get something. Yeah, that's right, Alfred. Yeah, anytime. That's the scary part. And if you guys are trading funded accounts or personal accounts without a stop loss, probably not a great idea. I think that's what this candle was right here. Which seems small compared to a few days ago. These are big candles. Today was light work. Yeah, Brandon, for sure. To be honest with you, on evaluations, I don't use them. I should. Like here. I'll do it for the stream. For the stream. Yeah, it keeps markets interesting, and hopefully, I mean, I've been loving the markets. I didn't love today. A lot of fake outs for me. But yeah, the last month or so I've been loving them. I love the volatility. For the stream. Got to break that trend line for us longs. For you shorts, you guys are in good shape still. We're in a double bottom. Triple bottom almost. But we got to get up through that VWAP and this trend line for anything to happen. All right, up 350s again. Right at the V walk. Starting to break that trend line a little bit, but we need a nice close. Nice close. You see this one, this candle here, wicked up above, pulled back right underneath. Need a nice strong close above 350, I'd say, to kind of change the trend. Also long on my funded futures. Funded account, actually. I thought it was a eval, but we're long funded. Still down on that one though. 176. There we go. There's a push up there. Still need a pretty strong close, I would say. That's what we want to see for us longs. Rejecting off 355. They're back down to 352. Higher low, not good for your short, Bray. Yeah. Starting to feel like it wants to push up now. The bull bias has got me in trouble though tonight. Short bias got me in trouble today. Hold on one sec. Someone's at my house. All right, let's go. Let's push this. Finally. $100, Dell. I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 100. All right, 355 now. Let's see if we can push up through the 60s and beyond. Anyone watching Bookmap? If you guys are watching Bookmap, just let me know if those guys pop up with those 400 lots. They were doing it this morning, I guess, too. Not seeing anything. If you hold above 355, you're getting out. Yeah, we're right there at 355. Yeah, I can't believe we got that nasty snowstorm today. So much for spring. I guess there's 8 vehicles off the road, right down the road from me. Definitely spring there. You can't stop sneezing. Yeah, I'm jealous. I want some springtime allergies. Wow, big rejection there. Hopefully you're still in it, Bray. Crazy rainstorms, no snow, but it's pushed our work season start over a month now. Oh wow. Yeah, I hate that. Definitely hate jobs that are dependent on the weather. You know, it's tough. Wow, big rejection there. 355s. We'll hold our stop. Our stop's pretty tight. It's just below the low, so is what it is. Then we're getting bought right back up. But these guys back playing games again. Looking at the book map. Someone in the chat on another stream said the spoofers are back again. It's kind of the way it feels like. That's what happened last time. That's what happened last night too. I mean, you start throwing around 1,000 lots in you know, low liquidity market like it is right now. It's gonna throw the market around. Yeah, so if you guys are just tuning in, we had Uncle Mo donated 20 memberships to the channel. So appreciate it, Mo. I just noticed the bid and ask spreads are wider in Trade Evade than they are on TopStepX. I have them on both on TopStepX. Oh, really? That's interesting. Futures floor, how's it going, Futures floor? 200 EMA reject 1 minute. I don't mind it, only because it's easy money, winners off, and get paid to travel all the West Coast islands. Oh, nice, Bray. I think they're bots or the real people. I don't know. The way they were moving them last night, it seemed like there was real people. How they would just get very close and then it would pull up. 12 a.m. here in Nigeria, but I don't mind. I don't want to miss your stream. Thanks. I don't know if it's Dida or Dida. Sorry if I mispronounced it, but thank you. Appreciate it. All right, pushing back up, 350s. Got a pretty large lot sitting up there, 165, 166, must be just above the high. You got 100 lots sitting up there. But nothing too big. Just looking at the book map on the free one on Alex's channel. I like it when it bounces off your entry. That's always good. It's never a good thing when your entry becomes the resistance. That's always a bad thing. It looks like the market is frozen sometimes. $347s now. It's trying. But yeah, right now it's just chopping this range. Let me get rid of this line here. $15-point range in the last hour trading. Yeah, futures floor. Yeah, crazy. Wood chip, what's going on? Full port short. Good luck. Good luck. It's definitely not doing much. I don't know if I have a heist. Can't remember. Yeah, New York did feel awful slow. You're right, Amelia, compared to, you know, what we've been seeing. Martin, the weekly candle has 0 bottom wick. Yeah, it's kind of crazy, isn't it? Definitely something to keep an eye on. I know, for sure. Yeah, right now we're just chopping sideways. Not expecting much. Oh no, Tommy Stark lost all of his points. I'll give you some points. Don't exist. Alright, breaking that inside bar. Gonna get above the VWAP, but right now we're just chopping in small range here. So it's really... I think so too, Bodine. I think so too. I have to wait every 5 minutes, I think. So every 5 minutes, there's a cooldown period, I believe. All right, pushing up 350s. Bear flag forming on the 1 minute. Let's take a look. Yeah, kind of already broke there. I guess depends on how you look at it. Down here, I guess. Something like that. Yeah, this market's just not really moving at all, though. Need to wait for it to get shooken up. I thought this move right here is gonna start moving something, but hey, what's going on, Brian? Good. For me, third pay on top step XFA. Let's go, Brian. 11,000 bucks in 42 days. Oh, you almost break even with Top Step. You got all your tuition back. Congratulations. That's a good feeling. Start getting your tuition back. Heck yeah. Trading NQ can be like sleeping in a bed with 2 German Shepherds. Yeah. And Rottweilers and Pit Bulls, and they're all fighting each other. For sure. Yeah, around 8 o'clock. Yeah, I think so too, Kamet. That's usually when you get the, you know, get some more volume that pumps in. Asian market opens. The hasn't been too bad. Last week it was not too bad during, you know, between 6 and 8 Eastern time, and then the last 2 nights have been really slow. And I think you guys said Friday or something like that was pretty slow. Thursday night, slow. But yeah, you should see a pop. Last night it was just before, it was right around this time I think, before we actually got some movement. Right, yeah, right here. Yeah, right about this time, 7:25, 7:30 is when we end up getting that move. So maybe. But yeah, we are just sideways. Stops at the low. Very cheap long. Risking, you know, 5 points really. Know that. Looking at something on Streamlabs. Oops. Sorry. Huh. Cool. That's interesting. Anyways, I was just messing around with something on Streamlabs. Alright, so what's happening? Still at 350s-ish. Alright, you know what? Let's look at gold. What's gold doing? Whole lot of nada. YM, nada. ES, nothing. Oil. I think it's the wrong contract. But nothing. YM looks like it fell asleep, that's for sure. I'm gonna stand up for a minute. Oy. I need to get a standing desk. I probably could actually use this one for a standing desk though. Or just have to move my monitors up. Home Depot makes the best ones. Yeah, I could actually, I could just modify this one. Wouldn't be automatic, but this desk is already too tall for me. I'm really short, so I actually have the desk is too tall, the chair is too tall, so I actually have a footrest down below me, so that way my feet touch the ground. True story. Yeah. So my feet are on a footrest right now. Alright, we're still in this long here, but it's not doing anything. It keeps rejecting off the VWAP. The Ottoman trader. Yeah, yo, Jim. Hey. There you go. Spike. There we go. Come on, let's just break this little range here. Start squeezing. That'll make me happy. Because I'm long. Love to see it squeeze up through the 60s, that'd be nice. But still in this range, technically. Not a very big range. $15, 16 points. That's it. And right back down. We are above the VWAP now, so. I think at this point, whether you know it starts taking out the lows or starts pushing towards the highs, you're gonna have a lot of people like trying to scramble to get out. So we should see something. We're just kind of compressing in this range for the last hour. 103 lot at 65. Yep. And then some more above, what, 375. This is just terrible. I'm trying to think what I'm gonna eat tonight for dinner. I had a smoothie today, and then I had dino nuggets. Because you know the shapes just hit different. And then I had some pretzels. And a piece of cheese. That's all I've eaten. Dino nuggets. Yep. Yeah. That's right. So I had kale this morning. First thing, I had some kale. And then I had dino nuggets to offset it. That's right. Honest take. What? For dinner? I don't know. And I had kale soup last night. Kale vegetable soup. It's a good thing I can't get DoorDash, because it would be a problem. I think I might be able to get one. I think I might be able to get McDonald's. That's it. For DoorDash. I think that's the only restaurant. Maybe Subway. Alright, nice. Pushing up through now. Break even trade. Shooting to the moon. See if we can break the session highs at 366. Boy, it's doing the exact same thing as it did last night, huh? The exact same thing. Exact same time too. 7:30. That's the 7:30 candle last night. After the slow push down. Just doing the exact same thing. Just not as big though. Day 4 locked in on Top Step. Let's go. Like lettuce, crispy lettuce over kale. I don't love kale, but I don't mind it in a smoothie and stuff. To eat it raw? No, I'm good. Gotta get my greens. Gotta eat my greens before my next pizza trip. There we go. That's what we want to see. Nice, honest take. There, finally pushing up higher here, breaking out of that range. See if we can break the session highs here at 66.50. Next stop could be 68, possibly. 79, 379. But we'll see. close 362.25 at 4 o'clock. So kind of where we're hanging right now. Boy, it feels like we're up 1,000,000 points, doesn't it? We're only up like 15 points. Feels like we're up like 300 points. We have a risk-off trade right now. I'm looking to push a little more, but this is intraday trailing, so I have to be a little careful. And if we start pushing the highs and stuff, I'll probably move the stop. That's what I like to do with intraday. Either that or I like to go in just super heavy. Scalp. We do have some, like 100 lots sitting up there, 365s. I guess we filled it. We filled it. Oh, 100% Carlos, yeah. Japan news is 7:50 Eastern. Nice, Alfred. Hopefully it does shake up the market a little. We are pushing higher though. Wood chip you long? Nice. Let's go. Let's push this thing. New session highs. I think we might have almost broke a record tonight on the stream, guys. 111 people at one point. Pretty awesome. Appreciate you guys hanging out. Smash the like button. I know the market's a little boring. I'm a little bit mentally fried tonight. I overtraded today during New York. So I appreciate you guys still hanging out, hanging in there with me. We are pushing up higher. Looks like we're gonna break those session highs. Alfred said there's news coming out in about 7 minutes, Japan news, so could move the market a little bit. We don't know. Just be aware of it, I guess. Bank of Japan monetary policy meeting minutes. Thank you, Alfred. Carlos Roa won 4,000 points. Nice. All right, there's the test of the session highs here. There we go, broke the highs. Up about 20 points in this trade so far. $367 now. Still pushing the new session highs. I just have this feeling that we're just going to get continuation from today, but I don't know. I mean, you never know. We got news, possible news coming out in about 5 minutes. So you long the bottom, didn't hold, Alfred? Yeah, it's definitely tough. I don't know. We were looking pretty bearish, but it believe it or not, it put in the exact same pattern last night. Right here, the exact same pattern, exact same time, and everything. We ended up rallying. Not that that's what my trade was based on, but yeah, I just found that interesting. It's just we had a much bigger move last night. Another 100 lot sitting up there, 370s. Uh-oh, Carlos, you better go. The daily close is perfect. Market downtrend seems over for now. That would have been a Dakota hold from last night, 200 points. Yeah, for sure. A little pullback down to 361s. 362s. It looks like a big move, but it really hasn't been. I kept this in 5s. Now we're getting a pullback here. Interesting if we hold the top of this range, 357s. You can see like the My Funded Futures account. It's still up too, but it's just like barely 10 points. Yeah, for sure, Alfred. Yeah, the initial balance today, 180 points on the Nasdaq, which is probably like a normal day usually, but yeah, that's pretty small for the New York compared to what we have been getting. So I found it a little tough to trade. I didn't adjust too well. Are you trying to inverse yourself? I know exactly what you're saying. If you're thinking short, then hit the buy button. Yep. Yep, I know. I have days. I wish I did that today. For sure. Just inverse the chart, just flip it over. That would be kind of funny. I think I'm gonna eat ramen for dinner. That's what I'm thinking about, what I'm gonna eat. I'm not even thinking about the markets. Alright, 361s. Hey, Joseph M, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. On our way to 1,000 subs. Let's go, guys. And all 100% organic too. I didn't buy any subs. $360s. If might be just getting a little pullback for the continuation. Don't know. Stops at break even, but we are hodling. I think Back up to truckloads for the longs. Good growth from 400 subs. Yeah, Brian, really. Because of the this market, the market reopened. It was one of the best decisions I made, for sure. Trying to grind out New York session, pretty tough. You get the big streamers on. You gotta slide into those time slots where the other people are not on. So, yeah, it was a good decision. Really appreciate you guys hanging out, talking markets. It's nice to like come in here and just kind of, you know, talk about what you guys did during the New York session. I talk about what I did, and just, you know, like today I went a little tilty. I'm having a record month. I knew a day was bound to happen. A day like today was bound to happen, and but we're all good. We live to trade another day. That's the important thing. Oh, thanks, Brian. I appreciate that, man. All right, let's see if we can bounce off that 360s. I mean, the 357s, that top of that range there. I just have a feeling it's going to act as a little bit of support. Because that was such a tight range, but we could break down through there. In about 5 minutes or so, we're going to have another spike in volume, I'm thinking. 8 p.m. Eastern time. All right, do we push? Or does the 8 p.m. candle come and just flush it down? Back down to the VWAP, maybe? Oh, no problem, man. Book profits at the highs. Nice. I probably should have took profits too. We get a little greedy. So I just love where my stop is. Normally, even though it is only 10 points away, it feels like miles away. It's actually only 10 points away. Still long in my funded futures as well, on the funded account. Are you seeing one on the book map, wood chip? Another one? Or on the order book? Or are you talking about the chat? Yeah, it bounced right off that range level, that high, the top of that range. I mean, kind of funny. So we hung around the 350s for over an hour. Now we're hanging out at 360s. Hopefully we get a spike here in about 1 minute. Spike in volume anyway. Pulling back right now. Looks like you're gonna test the VWAP here. At the 8 o'clock spike in volume here in about 10 seconds. Hopefully we start getting some some good price action now. Take a look at gold. Gold's pushing up too. Hey, Pretty Fly, what's going on? Alright, so we're getting a little bit of more volume pumping in the market here. It really hasn't moved too much yet. Still got some, quite a few orders sitting up there, 370s, 375, according to the old book map. Still in this long, been in this long for what? Over an hour. It's up 15 points. NKD, yeah, that's should looked at that. Market's not moving. NKD. Nikkei. Yeah, it is moving. The spike on the Nikkei. NKD is how you pass evals? Oh, really? You trade that, Amelia, sometimes? Nice. Yeah, that's actually... I like the way you think there. It's not a bad idea. Not a bad idea at all. Made 2,000 on it one night, but I was shaking the whole time. I can, yeah, yeah, especially like a funded account or something. Like if you're not used to trading it, it's pretty intense. I definitely have tried to trade it before. Yeah, it can be pretty intense. It was more stable last year though. I looked at the other day and looked kind of trashy. Yeah, that's interesting, Amelia, because I think that's when Dakota was trading it a lot. Hi, Donna. How's it going, Donna? So we've been in this long for an hour and 10 minutes. I'm still thinking we're pushing higher tonight. That's my bias. I usually don't like having a bias, but I usually just trade bar to bar, but yeah, right, because of this. Yeah, I know. Exactly, Alfred. I don't. Yeah, it's tricky. We're up about 10 points. We were up about 20 points. I probably should take profit and just moved on, but I still think we could possibly do. I can't draw. I don't know how to draw on it. Do one of these numbers possibly. But for now, we're holding up that VWAP. Starting to, looks like we're breaking down through it. Oh, there we go. What happened to my stop? That was weird. So I guess I should have took 20 points. All that for nothing? All that work for nothing? I'm moving the stop below the low. Market's gonna have to come get me. Looks like it is gonna come get me. Wants to. Getting ready to full port to Z-Val here. Close your eyes. I'm out. Up 584. On that eval. But anyways. Down 158 on the My Funded Future starter account. We blew up a Top Step combine. We didn't have much drawdown left in it. And yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna call it there. I completely overtraded today. It was not a good day. Pretty tired, mentally exhausted, so I'm gonna call it there. I will see you guys tomorrow. Use code PINE, Velanox and Apex, appreciate it. The support, you guys know who you are. Been using my code and to help support the channel, so I really appreciate that. If you guys are using Take Profit Trader, Terry Trades 100, all caps. And if you guys are using Tradeify, you have to clear your cache, or whatever it's called on your computer. Click my link and put in the code MAR if you want to help support my channel with Tradeify. Until I get $1,000 in sales or whatever, then I can get my personalized code. So till then, it's a pain in the ass, and you guys have to click the link. But some of you guys have done it, and I really appreciate it. I'm gonna get some rest. I'm gonna shower, eat, and then just crash. So cash me outside, yo Jim. Yes, cash me outside. But I appreciate all you guys hanging in there, and yeah, not too bad. So peace out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, thanks guys.